A special thanks to the folks at Dragonfire Tools for stepping it up. We are now Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. On the website for Shockwave Motors, it says we make electric vehicles cool, and they are not kidding. Just take a look at the Defiant EV3. It's like nothing you've seen before. First of all, it's more affordable than other EVs, and even more affordable than a traditional daily driver you might find out there, even more affordable than a used car. The Defiant EV3 seats 3 people, and this is the cool part. It gets a full charge in 8 hours, and it charges on any 120-volt outlet, so you don't need special chargers. You don't need a special electrical service to your house. The Shockwave is a great daily commuter. You can drive up to 200 miles a day for only $3. Good looks? Well, the Defiant EV3 is going to turn a lot of heads, especially when that removable hardtop comes off. And let's talk drivability. The battery is strategically positioned and balanced to provide a super low center of gravity that makes the car incredibly stable, even at its top speed of 70 miles an hour. When it comes to safety, the Defiant EV3, second to none. It's built like a race car. The safety features start with a tubular chassis, the roll cage in other words, and that makes the chassis super strong and super light at the same time. There's a passive head-on crash protection design with crumple zones at the front and rear of the car. Imagine that, an electric vehicle that not only looks cool, but it's fun to drive, it's safe and affordable. And oh, by the way, it's made in the USA. Head on over to ShockwaveMotors.com and check out the Defiant EV3. That's where you can also get a sneak peek at Shockwave's new Draco Sports Bike. Suddenly, the leap to an electric vehicle doesn't seem like that much of a leap after all. If you've got an older Chevy truck, maybe you're upgrading it or you're doing a new build altogether, Cottone Customs can hook you up with all the stuff you need to make it look great. What's the range of products you offer on your website, Mike?
We've got anywhere from wheels, suspension, trim, inside to your interior, and gauges and whatnot.
Now, what makes these trucks so popular? Why do folks love the Chevy trucks?
Oh man, there's a huge following for your C10 and OBS trucks out there. They're like a family. You get around enough people and that's what you got.
And you have a lot of stuff that replaces the OEM parts.
Correct.
But you also have a lot of things that give it a little custom flair.
Absolutely.
How do you find the audience for that kind of stuff? How many people are trying to keep it original and how many are giving it a little extra touch?
You know, that's a good question. I would say probably half and half. Everyone likes the original look, but yet still wants to modify it to a touch.
Let's talk about some of the products you bought that do just that. You brought along these wham rods, and what do they do for me?
It eliminates the hood spring and puts a strut in its place.
So a cleaner look under the hood.
Absolutely a cleaner look.
And what year did the springs get put on the trucks?
Well, they've been out for quite a while, but wham rods focuses on 73 all the way up to 99.
So now you want to bring the look of your truck a little more up to date. You got some trim pieces here as well.
Root LA Customs out of California have remade the body side moldings for your C10 truck, square body 81 to 87, and then also the OBS trucks 88 to 98. An array of different colors. We've got blue, obviously the original chrome, solid black, red, and then the trim badges to match.
The badges to go with it.
Correct.
Some subtleties that are different from the OEM badges there. A little bit of flair to it.
Exactly.
These are some trim pieces that make the truck look great. You also got some really cool door handles I saw on the website.
Yes, Benco Designs makes a billet door handle for all the C10 trucks, everywhere from 1960 all the way up to 1987.
And Benco's a huge brand. What are some of the other brands that you carry on your site?
Well, for wheels, we carry American Racing, US Mags, Corsart, Riddler. We just got into Intro and Raceline. We also carry Snowden seats. That's a custom seat for your pickup. We even carry slosh tubs, which are your inner fenders for your lowered and bagged pickups.
So folks can get products other places. Why should they come to Cottone Customs?
Well, I feel that I offer a great amount of customer service. Customers are important to me. Back when I was doing business with other places, I was tired of being put to the side and not getting the attention that I thought I deserved. So I felt that that was something that was important to me to give my customers.
Well, you can find the Cottone Customs catalog online, thousands of parts. That's CottoneCustoms.com. And you can find more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com when we come back.